Hey everyone, talking about Mongolian Mriga by PRIN, released in 2023. This is an interpretation of the original Mriga scent that PRIN did, but instead of the deer musk accord that was used in that, this has like real deer musk pod from Mongolia. And yeah, this one also has like precious wild oud from Myitkyinam, Myanmar, and some other stuff that's kind of not in the original. So it's not quite, just the same as the original. There definitely are some differences. Other notes: Yuzu, Chota Raw, Clary sage, and yeah, basically this is like really raw and wild. This has several types of oud I think that are almost impossible to get, like a certain type of Burmese oud that's just no longer available to get anywhere. And I think they maybe only made like one batch of this or something. But yeah, as with the original, for my taste, this is just too intense in an earthy, raw, animalic, and oud way for what the kind of stuff I like is. But impeccably done, such high quality, very artistic. And the real deer musk here is definitely noticeably different from like the fake deer musk type of accord used in most stuff. This is untamed, smoky, pungent oud, aromatic, all taking place in like a wild forest with a little bit of brightness and kind of like a high alert from the yuzu, florals that develop as it progresses, and just that kind of adds some contrast to the harshness and still maintains that wild nature feel, along with kind of like a spiritual quality at times. There's like a sense of danger and also of curiosity at the same time. Definitely interesting, and if you like the original, totally check this out. If you don't, then I wouldn't try this, even though they're not like exactly the same or something. Just yeah, and I think this would be too challenging for most people, but very high quality as always with PRIN, and the right person would definitely love it. Unisex, leaning masculine, good longevity, moderate to good projection, and goes for 420 for a 30 mil. I can picture someone being like, why? Because you have to be high to spend that much on it. But yeah, and I'll link in the description where you can check it out.